Good evening, class. This is Jomako Ankara Fashioners online training. Today we are going to be making a pin cushion just like this. So for this, you need a circular object that you are going to use. You need your fabric. You need needle and thread. Then you need your fiber. So now the next thing you are going to do is for you to carry this circular object. Then you cut it on your fabric. While cutting it, you have to put enough extra so that it's going to accommodate it. So let's go. So you place it this way, draw it, then you cut it, but you're not cutting here, you're going to keep extra before you cut. So let's cut it. So after cutting, this is what we have. This is the circle we have after cutting. So the next thing you are going to do is to carry your needle and you start to fold it a little and you start stitching, just a running stitch. So start stitching running stitch from one end to the other. So you sew. After sewing, when you reach the other edge, this is what you are going to have. You're going to look this way. So the next thing you are going to do is to carry your fiber and you start to cut it and put it inside this fabric that you just finished sewing. So just put it, continue putting it. Then while putting it, you start to drag. You drag and you put it till you are okay with the size that you want to achieve. So you drag it. Now this is what we have. So the next thing you are going to do now is to tack it down so that it will be strong. Just tack it around. So when it is strong, you tie it. Then you cut it out. So we are going to use it and fix it here. But before then, we are going to decorate this place a little. So let me bring the candle gun. So we are going to put the candle gum this way. And we cover it with our bias. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So the next stage now, the next stage is for us to put this candle gum round inside here. Then carry this one and we place it. So press it. Make sure you press everything. See, it's almost done. This is what we have now. So the next thing now is for us to carry our elastic. So this is the elastic we are going to use. So you now carry the elastic and test and know exactly what you are cutting. So we are cutting it. The next thing you do is to carry your needle and thread, and we are going to sew. So just continue sewing. Continue sewing until you are sure that it is very, very tight. And just tie it and you cut your thread. So this is what you should have. So you open this place, put gum, you press it down, open here, put gum and press it down also. So after pressing it down, this is what you're supposed to have. So the next thing we are going to do now is to put gum at the center, that place that we sew. Then we carry this one, then we place it there. And you hold it down. Once you fix it, hold it down. So this is what we have. Our pin cushion is ready. As you can see it is ready. But we still need to tack it down. You know, glue gun, it can go off anytime. So let me show you how to tack it down so that everything will be secure. What you need to do is, you see this elastic and the bias that we use in folding this place. Pick the bias a little, then you pick the elastic. You pick the bias. Once you pick the bias, you come out and also pick the elastic. Like that, you tack everything down and it's going to be strong. When you are done with this side, you also turn to the other side. Pick the elastic, pick the bias, pick the elastic, pick the bias. Then everything is okay. So after tacking it down, this is what we have. So your phone cushion is ready. Thank you so much for training with us. This is Jomako Ankara Fashion House Online Training. Bye.